number 19. Famous novel The Three Musketeers was written by Alexander Dumas. Famous English poet John Keats died of TB at the age of 25. Play Othello was written by Shakespeare. Famous economist Karl Marx belongs to Germany. The theme of the famous play Caesar and Cleopatra was G.B. Shah is a history. Masterpiece novels War and Peace and Anna Karenina was written by Tolstoy. Tolstoy. Famous English poet William Wordsworth who died in 1850. John Milton was a famous English poet. What tragedy was faced by him at his old age? That was lost his eyesight. Khushal Khan Khattak was a famous poet of Khushal Khan Khattak was a famous poet of Pashto language. Abdul Latif Bhuttai was a famous poet of Sindhi language. Which of the following countries under an absolute monarchy? It was D. Oman. December 3 every year is observed all over the world is that's International Day of Disabled Persons. The Holy Quran was translated in first time in Sindhi. B. Waris Shah, Punjabi poet, is famous for his Waris Shah is famous for his Heer Ranjha. Hayat-e Javed, written by Altaf Hussain Ali's own life of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Hayat-e Javed Sir Syed Ahmad Khan की लाइफ पे बनी थी. Famous novel Pride and Prejudice is written by that is B. Jane Austen. Archaeologist has recently revealed through a research that the Roman Empire was destroyed by the fatal disease of malaria. Famous novel A Tale of Two Sisters is written by Charles Dickens, an English writer known for his free translation of the Rubaiyat of Umar Khayyam is C. Edward Fitzgerald. Taj Mahal is mentioned white marble mausoleum is situated at Agra. Taj Mahal Agra में. The only mosque in the world with 6 minars in the Blue Mosque or the Mosque of Sultan Ahmed. It is situated in Istanbul, Turkey में. Elysee Palace is the official residence of President of France. Rohats Fort is situated near Jhelum. It was built by Sher Shah Suri. Queen's House is official residence of Royal Family of Monaco. The height of Empire State Building situated in Manhattan, New York, USA is 381 meters. Alexander the Great was a king of that is C. Macedonia. Queen's House is official residency of President of Sri Lanka. The height of Empire State was 381 meters. Hyde Park, London is famous for public meeting and assemblage. We often came across a news wherein Red Square is often described. It is situated in Moscow. Among the ancient wonders of the world, which one is still exist? That is Pyramids of Egypt. The only human achievement visible from the moon is the Great Wall of China. Salins Tunnel is in Afghanistan linked काबुल के साथ टनल जो है वो बनाती है मज़ार शरीफ. One of the ancient wonders, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, was situated in Iraq. One of the ancient wonders, the state of Zeus Jupiter, was carved at about 22,400 years ago by Greek sculpture. Temples of Artemis Lady Diana, ancient wonder, is said to have been among us the most beautiful temple in the world. It was built in the honor of Greek gods of moon at Turkey. Temples of Artemis, ancient wonder, was built during the reign of which reign? Alexander the Great. An ancient wonder, mausoleum of Herolicus, created in 353 BC by Queen Artemisia in the memory of her husband, King Mosla. It was destroyed by earthquake. Closest of forts was the huge statue of Helios. formerly called Apollo, which stood at the entrance to the harbour of Rhodes. The Pharos of Alexandria, an ancient wonder, was situated in an island near Alexandria. When was it a lighthouse? Famous wonder of the world, Leaning Tower of Pisa, is situated in. It was in Italy. Length of the Great Wall of China is 2400 km. The headquarters of World Trade Organization is in Geneva. The Church of Saint Sophia is among the seven wonders of world. Later it is listed in Istanbul. Dragon is a symbol of China. Bear is a symbol of Russia. Who is called Lady of the Lamp? Florence Nightingale. Who is called Desert Fox? That is C. General Rommel. Who is called Man of Iron and Blood? That is Prince Bismarck. Who is known as Man of Destiny and Little Corporal? That is C. Napoleon. Who is the first Secretary General of UNA? That is Trygve Lie. The headquarters of UN Security Council is in New York. The headquarters of International Atomic Energy Agency is in Vienna. Among the following countries which is not the member of UNA? That is Switzerland. Which of the following historical sites of Pakistan is on the World Heritage List? That is all of above. Mohenjo-daro, Takht-e-Wahi, Lahore Fort, all of above. All of above is the right answer. Sir Ronald Ross was awarded Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1902 for his work on malaria. Who was awarded Nobel Prize in 1945 for his discovery of penicillin and its curative effect in various infectious diseases? That is B. Sir Alexander Fleming. Nobel Prizes was first awarded in the year 1901. Identify the cause of disturbance in Maluku Island of Indonesia. That is Muslim and Christian religious conflict. The prizes are formally awarded to the death anniversary of Alfred Nobel. That is C. 10th December. All Nobel Prize are given in Stockholm by the King of Sweden except the Peace Prize which is given in the city. किस सिटी को जो है ना वो मिला हुआ है एक्सेप्ट नोबेल प्राइज़ के? दैट इज़ ओस्लो. मदर Teresa, India was awarded by Nobel Prize in Field of Peace. Oh. W.C. Wrongton was awarded a Nobel Prize in Physics for his remarkable discovery of X-rays. From which country he belongs? W.C. Wrongton. From which country he belongs? That is Germany. Who is called father of history? That is Herodotus. From which country Herodotus, the father of history, belongs? That is Greek. Who is called father of comedy? That is Aristophanes. Christopher Columbus, who discovered Central America. From which country he belonged? Italy. Made in Pakistani who was awarded by Nobel Prize in 1979 was Dr. Abdul Salam. Dr. Abdul Salam won the Nobel Prize in the field of physics. Famous painting Mona Lisa was creation of Spain. Who is the author of the history of the decline and fall of the Roman Empire? The creator of Mona Lisa belongs to Italy. Famous painting Mona Lisa was a creation of Leonardo da Vinci. The creator of Mona Lisa belongs to Italy. Who is the author the history of the decline and the fall of Roman Empire? That is Edward Gibbon. Great philosopher Confucius belongs to Japan. Gautam Buddha was born in 450 BC.